day, gentlemen. So yes, I finally installed the bracket for the fire extinguisher and also the mirror. So let's have a closer look to my yellow and black installation. All right. So the mirror, it's adjustable like this, and it's very adjustable like that also, because that here it's flexing a little bit. This is the top portion here to protect the mirror if in case of I have a branch or going like this. I even put rubber eyes on each side, so I don't want to poke that somewhere. The fire extinguisher, just hold on, I'm gonna stabilize the tripod. By the way, this is the second take. Sadly, it didn't film. I filmed everything outside, but the camera just fell down and it broke my glasses, so I will have to change my glasses. Well, it depends. We'll see how much it costs. Maybe I just changed the 10 years old phone. Alright, so basically the fire extinguisher, the clearance, I can remove it really easy even without looking. So everything is... I put a rubber coat around here so it's not vibrating. I will put a link, an added portion when I was outside so you can see. When I went to test it on the road, it does vibrate a little bit more than the one on the right, but I can see it very clearly, everything. And it depends on which speed. If I do one speed, it's not vibrating, so it depends on the frequency of the vibration. Other than that, I'm gonna put a closer view for you guys. So you can see, you see the top seat on my mirror, so that my head will be around that area, so I can see from there, like you can see, I can see from there all the way to there, so that gives me a good clearance. And on winter time, when the snowblower is around there, I will be able to see it, so I ain't gonna twist my neck anymore on that side. On the other side, since it's an angled mirror, so I will be able to see. I even see in front of the wheel, so I'm well covered with mirror now. And it does look good if I go in front like this. So yeah, I'm very happy about it. That project is done, over with. So I know, go for another project. All right, cheers. One thing I forgot to mention is the clearance from the fire extinguisher to the seat. I've got plenty, like you can see. I always put my foot here, put it there. There we go, good clearance for my knees, so everything is good. Alright, cheers.